Hello everyone! Today I have training again. Obviously I'm filming at nighttime right now because that's what my training is. I just wanted to show you guys the Bellabox that I've got. I haven't been showing it for the past few months because I have been busy with my studies, but I thought I'd show you guys this one here. Sorry, there's something in the background. Okay, I'll show you guys now. So this is the Bellabox that I got. I just got this delivered today. So yeah, I did open it and I did sneak. So that's what it looks like. This time it has like a green sticker that I realized. When you open it, you get the normal information page thing. First thing that I see in here is this Kawaii brush cleanser, and it says here that this one is full size. It is here to make brush maintenance a little easier, and retail price, well, recommended retail price is $11 and available on the actual website. Well, I'm probably not going to be able to go through all of these properly, so if you want to read more about any of them, just pause the screen. This is awkward. So this is what it is. I hope you can see it. Let me just... It's so weird trying to hold this. So the first thing in here is this. I will try it. Then what I see in here is this detoxifying clay mask by Embaco, maybe? Embassy detoxifying clay mask, I think that's what it is. And it's a sample size of 10 milliliters. For the 75 milliliters, the recommended retail price is $44. And it's available on their website and in store on High Street, Prahan, Vic 3181. A paper here. This is interesting. I might try this today. So those were those. Then what I see in here is this. It says Stephen Laurent, and I think here it did say this one's a full size as well, and the recommended retail price is $33.87. And it's a precision tip liner. I could not speak properly today. I had a test today. I had so much to do today. Okay, so this is what the eyeliner looks like. It's like covered in the seal thing, so I'm not going to open it because I do have a couple eyeliners at the moment. And yeah, with eyeliners, I don't really mind if it's felt tip or like thick tip. Not very thick tip, but you know that tip, the hard tip? Is that felt tip? And then brush tip. There's so many types of different application methods, but I don't mind either one of them because once you get used to it, well, once I get used to it, I think it's okay. And that's this one over here. This does look very pretty. I really like the color of the packaging. Then the next thing in here is, this is a sample size of the OGX. Oh, it doesn't show that you've got this here. So I guess this is like a gift. It's a shampoo and conditioner. I like this brand of shampoo and conditioners, the OGX, but I haven't tried the Coconut Miracle oil. So I might try that too. Well, I will try it since I have it. Then there is this Patchology Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. That's what it looks like. I really do like eye gels and like face masks that are like gel. The face masks that are like gel formulated ones too. Even though they say gel is usually for oily skin, but I use it and I don't mind it too. And it says this is a sample size, it's 1 pair and it's $4.22. Available at mecca.com.au. Oh, is this available on Mecca? That's interesting. How many does it normally come with then? If it says sample size 1 pair. I might have to look at it online. The thing that we have in here is this Avene Tolerance Cream. It says rich texture. This is a sample size as well, I can tell. And this is 5 milliliters, and the 50 milliliters of this one is $49.95, and it's available at Chemist Warehouse. Oh, it looks so small. I don't know if you can tell. It's so cute. Anyway, that was the last thing in here. Hopefully you did have a look at the screen before, if you did want to, for the information. Now I have to go anyway, so I'm gonna go to my training. And it's dark, so I don't know if I'll be able to vlog like in my car. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is like my makeup area. It's a little bit messy at the moment. Oh well. I'll pack it up tomorrow after my class, and I probably might have to go through the first drawer because I have a lot of things in there, and maybe like declutter it, or like give it to family and friends. With a lot of my makeup, if I don't use it, then I'm like, might as well someone else can use it and like make the most of it. So yeah, I need to go. I'll see you guys maybe in the car because I would need to. By the way, this is Evie's place. And Evie is following me. Look at her, look at her. Come baby, come baby. Look at her. Look at this, Evie. Who's this? She's the cutest. I think she understood that I'm gonna leave. So she's like, I'm freaking out. But Daddy's gonna be here. Okay, Evie. Come on, show your talent, baby. Let's go. Woohoo! She really loves this. By the way, the light here is off because I'm gonna leave. But look at the way she plays around to me. I'm gonna leave this up here because I'm gonna be leaving you. She's the cutest. So I'm in front of my train place right now, and there were so many people here before, that's why I didn't want to film. But I wanted to end the video here. I am using my Snapchat camera because I feel like that's where I get the light from. So that was the end of my vlog for today. I know it wasn't as interesting